you like chicken fried rice as a takeout option, you are going to love this recipe. Follow it step by step. You're gonna be asking yourself why you never tried it earlier. For those of you that are new, welcome to Pockets of Protein. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video if you find it helpful, and let me know in the comments if you end up trying it out. Let's get started. This recipe is a simple one. First thing you're gonna do is crack up some eggs and whip that up. Oil up a pan and scramble the eggs to your liking. The next step is to cook some chicken. Now I have some leftover cooked chicken already, and how I prepared it was onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and a little bit of oil, marinate that through and cook it on the pan. Now the twist with this recipe is that instead of using rice, we are going to be using quinoa. Now if you want me to make a video about how I cook my quinoa, let me know, but essentially I use some water and a little bit of salt and have it cook on low heat until the water dries up and I'm left with fluffy quinoa. The next ingredient would be bell peppers, so you'll cut up bell peppers. I bought mine already cut, so that's good to go. Then the last ingredient will be onions, so I have 1/2 left over that I'll dice up into small pieces. For your diced onions and your cut up bell peppers, you're going to cook that down using the same pan that you used to scramble your eggs. And for those, I used garlic powder, onion powder, and some salt, and saute those to your liking. Once everything is cooked, this is where the magic happens. You're going to take a much larger pan so that you're able to add everything in. You'll add in your scrambled eggs, you'll add in your onions, you'll add in your peppers, you'll add in your cooked quinoa. Going to add in some oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and rice vinegar. And you're going to mix everything well, make sure everything is evenly distributed. While your chicken fried quinoa is cooking on low heat, you'll chop up some green scallions to use as a garnish on your dish. And once it's done, you're gonna plate your dish, garnish with the green scallions, and that's it, guys. This dish is a complete game changer. It is so delicious, and if you cooked this along with me, it's good, right? Here I have the macros listed, and what I really like about quinoa is that you can get a lot more volume for the equivalent caloric amount versus rice. And that will be it, friends. Share this recipe with your friends and family who you think may really like this. Save it for later if you want to try out the recipe. And as always, in the caption, I include the full list of macros as well as the full list of ingredients. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. I post every single week. And lastly, if you are somebody that likes grilled cheese, what if I told you that seafood grilled cheese tastes even better? Check out this video and you'll see what I'm talking about. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.